Hey friends, welcome to Milwaukee Pipeline 2026. We have some new things we're going to show you. Let's go check it out.
All right, this is a brand new M18 Fuel 4-gallon wet dry vacuum with Packout compatibility and backlink. As you can see, this product has top, bottom, and also wall mounts capable of Packout compatibility. So you can put this anywhere you need it to. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of this Packout stack. We'll stack something underneath and on top. And then I'm gonna show you, this thing has 70 CFM and 60 inches of suction. So it's got more suction for that increased cleaning capability. We're gonna clean up some of this gravel. It is wet dry capable, so if you need to clean up any wet debris or water, the vacuum will handle that as well. But what the really cool thing about this is, when you're done cleaning up, you turn the product off, you don't have to remove anything above the vacuum on the Packout stack. When you go to empty it, all you do is slide the tank right out from the side, take it over your trash can, your dumpster, wherever you're gonna empty it out, pop the lid off, get rid of that debris, and put it all back together, and you're completely good to go. So it has the easiest tank removal experience, and it's the most accessible and optimized for that on-stack use. So you got the tank on the side, the battery and UI is on this side of the product, and then we've got some accessories here as well. So we have our utility nozzle that's stored right on the front of the product, as well as the crevice tool over on this side. So everything you need to get your job done is fully accessible as well. And the final feature I want to talk about, it is backlink capable as well. So you've got the on and off at the end of the vacuum hose, just with the press of the button. And it's also fully compatible with our growing lineup of backlink power tools also. We've got the circular saws, the rotary hammers, and the sander here. So as soon as you turn on any of these tools and are doing your application, the vacuum is automatically handling all of that dust control for you. You turn the tool off, and the vacuum's gonna turn off automatically as well once that debris makes it through the end of the hose. So this product's gonna be launching in October of this year, so just a couple months away.
What kind of price do you have on it?
$299.
What's up guys, it's Caleb at Pipeline, and today I'm really excited to share with you the AirTip Compact Dust Collector, one of 5 new AirTips we released in May of this year. This is going to be a great tool for your electrician, drywaller, or anyone that's to cut or drill into drywall frequently. Before we talk about this guy, quickly want to show you our existing dust collector that came out in 2022. This is a great application for wider jobs, bigger cuts, bigger drills. We got a note from guys saying, hey, it can't fit in those tighter spaces between trim or very close to the ground while the hose is on. I took those notes back to the drawing board, talked to our engineer, said, hey, let's make a smaller one. So that's how the compact dust collector was born. As you can see, fits in those tighter spaces when low to the ground. How it works is that it's going to use the vacuum suction to seal to the wall, giving you hands-free cleaning. Now I'm going to put my glasses on and show you guys a cut with it. I want you to see the dust getting picked up. As you can see, all that dust went inside the collector, meaning that you're not breathing in these hazardous dusts and materials, and you're not having to go back after and pick up the debris off the floor. Finally, this is an air tip, so it can be used with 1 1/4", 1 7/8", and 2.5" hose sizes, giving you that ultimate versatility, choosing which hose size you want to use with this. Today, I'm really excited to share with you the AirTip Debris Scraper, one of 5 new AirTips released in May of this year. This is going to be a great tool for that remodeler or anyone that has to scrape up debris quite frequently. This combines the traditional 2-step process of first hand scraping debris, then going back with a broom or a vacuum, into a 1-step process, making you much more efficient and quick on the job site. Let's go over some touch points. Up here, you see we have an ergonomic handle here, so you can fully get the full oomph behind what you're scraping. We have a sight window right here to give you full visibility of what you're scraping. Up here, we got the chisel blade, sharp enough to pull up the debris, but not sharp enough to pinch you or cut you anyway or mar the surface. And then out back here, we have the toolless blade change mechanism. Quick in, quick out, for when you have to replace that blade. Now I'm gonna turn the vacuum on, show you guys it in action. As you can see, all that debris is getting ripped up, going into the vacuum. You're not having to go back afterwards and pick that up with a broom or with a vacuum. Just does it all for you. Finally, this is an air tip, so you can be used with 1 1/4", 1 7/8", or 2.5" hose sizes, giving you that versatility and choosing whatever hose or vacuum you want to use with it. So this is going to have strong ripples to not lose the most stubborn debris out of automotive carpeting. We're talking pet hair, sand, and salt. It has an ergonomic handle, perfect for the pushing and pulling motions needed in order to get that fast and efficient cleaning. And because it's an air tip tool, that means it'll fit on any wet dry vac with a 1.25 inch, 1 7/8, or 2.5 inch hose, which means it'll work on any vacuum. To show you what we're talking about, I have a bunch of wet sand here, salt mixed into it, really work it in on this wet day. This solution is part of our AirTip family of trade-focused vacuum accessories, expanding our growing catalog of job site cleanup solutions. We have 4 other AirTips here at Pipeline today. I recommend you take a look at those as well.
So that's it for now, friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.